Hey, I'm Jason Hillyard with the Synaptics Wireless Products Division. This demo is showing Bluetooth channel sounding technology, which is a secure and accurate ranging technology. The demo is showing a home alarm concept where we're going to disarm the alarm simply by coming into proximity with your phone. The phone makes a secure ranging connection with the alarm panel, and the distance can be accurately measured in a way that can't easily be spoofed or is susceptible to a man-in-the-middle attack. Inside here, we've got an Astra board running, it's the Astra 1680, running a channel sounding algorithm. And that's the algorithm which actually calculates the range. Inside this phone is a Synaptics 4390 Wi-Fi Bluetooth chip, also capable of channel sounding. This is just a standard product available today. So let's do the demo. First, I'm going to arm the alarm. Okay, so as the alarm is counting down, I'm going to walk out of my house. And then coming back home, as I approach the panel, it automatically disarms once I'm within about 1 meter of range with my phone. So no need to enter a code, just you can securely unlock the panel with the phone.
How is it secure to do it?
So there's an encrypted authenticated connection between the two devices, but the channel sounding technology itself is designed to be resistant to man-in-the-middle attacks, to spoofing attacks, to the kinds of attacks that are being used in other radio technologies today. So it was designed for this kind of secure access, digital key application and have that level of security.
Because I was always wondering how these Teslas and stuff, they do this when you come with your key close to the car, it unlocks and everything.
Yeah.
What do they use and how is this different?
So some digital key applications use ultra wideband, which is a good technology for ranging, also very secure. I think one reason to use Bluetooth is that, the alarm panel already has a Bluetooth Wi-Fi chip in it, right? And so you can use the Bluetooth that's already in the alarm panel, the Bluetooth that is already in your phone, if it has channel sounding capability, and it's just going to work and also be secure with adequate security and adequate ranging accuracy.
And for sure, nobody can hide something and spoof your ID somehow.
Yeah, so if you try and spoof the ID, first of all, the encryption's going to, you have to somehow obtain or crack the encryption keys on secure AES encryption. Being able to somehow inject into the radio communication, even at the lowest physical layer, is also going to be scrambled in an encrypted sort of way. So you can't just somehow monitor the connection and be able to reproduce it. And you can't relay or be a man in the middle and somehow connect as if you were the alarm panel and, or you were the phone, connect to that and relay it over a longer distance. It just won't work.
And Bluetooth channel sounding can do a bunch of other stuff also, right?
Well, Bluetooth technology can do a lot of other things. I mean, Bluetooth channel sounding itself, this has a lot of other use cases. Anytime there's two devices now within an accurate proximity of each other, you can do a certain action. You could use channel sounding in your watch to unlock your PC. You could use channel sounding also in a digital key application for a car. It can also be used for commercial buildings. There's just a lot of different ranging applications you can use channel sounding for.
It sounds like a bit like a sonar. Is it something like using Bluetooth for distance?
It's
like
not
a sonar?
So it's, in some ways, yes, but it's more of an active technology with both devices transmitting and receiving signals in order to perform the distance calculation. So it's not a passive or one-way technology like a sonar or a radar.
And it's just very smart algorithms in there that can accurately measure distance.
So with this type of ranging technology, using phase-based ranging, relying on property of radio waves where the phase change as a function of frequency is proportional. The distance is proportional to the change in phase as a function of frequency. Being able to analyze the channel information and do the proper calculations to extract the distance, especially in a noisy environment or an uncertain radio environment, that's where the algorithm comes in.
And what kind of discussions you had here at the Tech Day? What did people talk about when they came here? And to the other customers who were thinking how to implement this?
I think, so first of all, the use case is pretty simple, but it gets people thinking about what they could do with the technology in another ranging type application between two devices. So, maybe it's a use case where you want to walk into a room and now the thermostat knows that users in the room are going to set the temperature to a certain temperature, anything like that. So what could you do with your product if you knew the phone or the user was in a certain range away from it?
All right. And you need to have this smart chipset in both the receiver and the sender, or not necessarily?
So the device that is securely calculating the range is the one that needs to have the algorithm and more of the processing going on. So in this case, it's the alarm panel that needs to know the distance and authenticate.
And then it works with any phone.
It'll work with only newer phones that have channel sounding. But since every phone out there supports Bluetooth, it's just a matter of time before the next version comes out of a phone with the new Bluetooth that supports channel sounding.